Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank and I will be the man behind the camera. In today's video, we are installing LED license plate lamps on the S80 V8. Before the video starts, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. Alright, let's get the video going. You guys will see this is a super easy install. It takes about 15 minutes tops. It will take me a little bit more time since I am recording for you guys. So I have brought the tripod and all of the tools and we're gonna go drive to another location to actually install it. So now it's time for a cold start on a straight pipe S80 V8. Enjoy. Alright guys, so this is a pretty straightforward install, super simple, so it takes you guys maximum 10 to 15 minutes to do. We are basically replacing the whole LED assembly off from the back of where the license plate holds. So the two license plate holders should be at the bottom. At the very top, there is where the license plate is. You're going to see two little lights. They should be looking like this right here. So this is going to be the assembly that we will be replacing. As you guys can see, sorry, I can't focus too much, but they're actually LEDs. So they're little LED lights that will light up way more than the factory ones. And after you do need that, well, also you do need a screwdriver. This is a Torx 20 screwdriver. It's actually like a socket with a little socket extension, but whatever, still does the job, right? So we are going to be installing that, like I said before, 10 to 15 minutes. Super simple. All of these little aesthetic mods, guys, are what sets a build apart. So these are super simple exterior things that are just, you know, like little visual things, but in the end, once we're done with the body kit and everything, it's going to be way nicer. All right, so let's get going. I'm going to give you guys a step-by-step install guide so you guys can do it yourself. These are super easy to find. You just go online, look up for the make of the car, license plate, LED lights. They're everywhere on eBay, Amazon, even AliExpress if you guys, you know, you want to wait a little bit longer to get them. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so step number one, you want to grab your Torx 20 screwdriver. As you guys can see right here, you're going to have one little bolt over here, one over here, they're screws actually, and then you're going to have one on each side. These are what the assembly that we're going to be replacing. The car is super dirty, so I'm going to take off my coat just so I don't dirty everything, and then we'll get going. This install, like I said guys, shouldn't take you guys too much time, but don't stress, make sure you don't break anything so that it's all nice and clean. It's going to be a little bit harder for me guys since I am actually doing it with the trunk open so you guys can see what I'm doing, but basically it's super simple. It's the same thing on both sides. Just undo all of those and I'll see you guys at the next guide. So next up, if you guys want to grab a flathead screwdriver like that, you're going to see on the right side, so the right side over here and the left side over here, you're going to have a little tab where you can put the screwdriver and push it back. It's going to basically remove the whole assembly, so it goes just like that. You're going to put it in like this, and then the whole assembly comes off by itself like that. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. And both sides are out, super simple like you guys saw. It takes literally 2 minutes. So once you get your new assembly, you want to grab it just like this. And it's pretty straightforward guys. There is two sides to it. So you're gonna see there is a flat side at the bottom right here. Sorry, we'll show you guys a bit better. You have a flat side at the bottom right here, and at the top here you have a side that's a little bit like angled up. The side that's a bit angled up like that goes down. So this is how the light should be going. You just wanna push very slightly on the two tabs right here. And just clip it in just like that. I'll grab the keys and show you guys. The light is actually pretty powerful. As you guys can see, it makes a lot of light, way more than the original ones. And I noticed when I was taking it out, when I shook the bulbs, that both bulbs were actually broken. So it's a pretty good thing that we're doing this install since I had no license plate bulb at night, which is illegal here in Quebec. To wrap everything up guys, super simple. You want to grab your Torx 20 screw back, and well, I don't think I have to show you guys how to screw in a screw, but you want to screw on the left side, the right side right here. Make sure you don't over tighten it because these little things are super fragile. If you over tighten it, they're made of plastic, right? So you might actually break the plastic. Tighten them so they don't fall off, but don't over tighten them to break the plastic off. Alright guys, so the install is complete. Super simple mod that does a big difference lighting wise. So we have the old bulbs right here. You could pretty much throw these out. They are not really, you know, meant to do anything anymore. Which is really nice about the new assembly is that you don't actually have bulbs. Since these are LED lights, I'm just gonna hold the trunk before it falls. Since these are LED lights, you do not need to put any type of bulb inside. So if they do break or burn, you just buy a whole assembly again, which is again around $30 for both of them, which would be about the same price if you want to grab a good quality bulb. But it looks way cleaner, looks way better, and it's actually, you know, I like working on the cars and I like doing stuff like that. So here's the final result with the lights. We'll try, I don't promise you guys to get some night shots of it. Hopefully we can go at night tonight and try to get some shots so you guys can see everything. But that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any content from Tank Garage. See you, boys.
I'm not your friend. I'm not your friend or anything. You think that you're the man. I think therefore